Okay, so let's solve this problem. So to find the value of x and y, so first we let x equals s to the power 2 and y equals t to the power 2. So this equation becomes the square root of s to the power 2 plus the square root of t to the power 2 then equals 3. And for this equation, so since x is s to the power 2, then plus y, that's t to the power 2, then over the square root of s to the power 2 times t to the power 2, then equals 2. Then from this first equation, so we can omit this radical. So we have s plus, cancel this radical. So s plus t then equals 3. And for this equation, so s to the power 2 plus t to the power 2 then over the square root of s to the power 2 and t to the power 2. So we can cancel this radical. So that's s times t then equals 2. Then to solve for s from this first equation, so transpose this positive t. So s equals 3 minus t. Since from this equation, s is equal to 3 minus t, so substitute this 3 minus t to s on this equation. So therefore, this second equation becomes s, and s is 3 minus t to the power 2, then plus t to the power 2, then over s, that's 3 minus t times t, then equals 2. Then to simplify, so expand the square of a binomial. So this becomes 9 minus 60 plus t squared, then plus t squared, then over. So multiply, this one is 3t, and negative t times t, that's negative t squared, then equals 2. Then apply cross multiplication, so over 1, multiply. So we have 9 minus 60 and t squared plus t squared. So plus 2t squared, then equals, so for these numbers, so that's 2 times 3t minus t squared. Then arrange this equation to start with the highest exponents. So we have 2t to the power 2 minus 60 plus 9, then equals, so multiply, that's 60, then this one is negative 2t to the power 2. Then equate this equation to 0, so transpose everything to the left side. So we have 2t squared minus 60 plus 9. So this positive 60 becomes negative 60, and negative 2t squared becomes positive 2t squared, then equals 0. Then combine like terms, so this 2t squared plus 2t squared, that's 4t squared, and this negative 60 and negative 60, that's negative 12t, then plus 9 equals 0. So we have this quadratic equation, and we can solve this quadratic equation by quadratic factoring. So for this 4t squared, that's 2t times 2t, and for positive 9, that's 3 times 3. Then since the middle term is negative, so the sign are all negative. Then since we have the same factor, so we just need to equate one factor to 0. So we have now 2t minus 3 equals 0. And to solve for t, so transpose this negative 3. So we have 2t equals positive 3. Then divide by 2 to solve for t. So therefore, t is equal to 3 over 2. So since t is equal to 3 over 2, so to solve for s from this equation, so to solve for s from this equation, that s is equal to 3 minus t, and t is 3 over 2. Then simplify, so s, so using a butterfly method, so this one is 6 minus 3 din over 2. So therefore s is equal to 3 over 2. Since we let x equals s to the power 2 and y equals t to the power 2, so to solve for x, we just need to take the squared both sides. So therefore, s squared is equal to 9 over 4. And for this t, so we need to take the squared both sides. So therefore, t squared is equal to 9 over 4. So to find now the value of x and y, since s squared is equal to x, so therefore x is equal to 9 over 4. And for y, since y is equal to t squared and t squared is 9 over 4, so y is also equal to 9 over 4. So these are the value for x and y.